Guys, since I moved into my new place, I got a bunch of these plastic bins. They were like $7 at the Walmart. Unfortunately, I got 4 of them because they didn't have any other ones available. But man, I'm trying to take stuff that I have in these different boxes and put them in these bins, and I can tell you I already have more stuff than I can even fit in these. I'm gonna have a new hobby room with some shelving system. These will fit on the shelves. Gonna be doing a new layout and a bunch of T-Trak sections as well. Here's some trees in here. I'm still going through boxes, and let me tell you, there's quite a few boxes. So hopefully I'll be able to update you on some of the other stuff I'm doing. I'm just going through the stuff that I have. I got glue sticks, those are things for making roads, blackout things. New home I'm living in. I have an extra room for doing just model railroad. Now it's a weird size room. It's a little under 7 foot wide by 15 foot long. And I'm also going to be putting my desk in there, but I'm going to be able to put a sizable layout in there as well as the one I already have. But I'm going to be doing a much bigger layout. I actually got some new kits to put together. One of the new kits I got for my model railroad, my new layout that I want to do, is the New River Mining Company. It's a Walthers kit. Normally it's like $50. I got it on sale for $29, and when I saw it on sale, I decided I was going to get it. I want to add a mine, some logging and farming to my next layout, and so this was going to be one of the bigger industries that are bigger type subject matter I'm going to have. So we got to put that together. So able to pick up this what they call these LED landmark structures. This one's called the Butcher Shop. I got this for $28. It's a neat little rural business. Everything in my new layouts will be pretty rural. It's be like around logging, mining, and some other stuff like that, farming. And this would be a neat little business by itself, so I picked that up. I do have a couple other of these kits that I got, or these models, these landmark structures. I got a couple of them over the last 3 or 4 years. When I was in the hospital and stuff, people picked some of these up for me, hoping that I would get better and do more model railroads. So this Kato train, and the reason I picked this up is my freight train. It's the EMD FPFA Milwaukee Road. The reason I picked this up is that Santa Fe train that I had that looked very similar to this. It broke. I had a bunch of stuff sitting up on a cabinet, and somebody from my family decided they were going to help me out when I was not feeling good, and dust and the train stuff was up on there, and they didn't know it and it all fell on the ground and broke. A lot of freight cars broke, and the train actually broke. They don't work anymore. So I couldn't find one for a long time because of the pandemic, man. You couldn't find a train that kind of fit that era. We found this one, and believe it or not, this train, I remember seeing this when I was a kid, this train, by my grandparents' house. Now, my grandparents' house didn't have Milwaukee Road. What they did have is they have a train line that they buy other people's rolling stock and locomotives from, and then they put their own like branding on it. But they don't necessarily, when I was younger, they didn't necessarily change the paint colors. When I bought my Kato N-scale train, they sent me one of these T-Trak kits. Now, this is not like a normal T-Trak kit. But here's the deal is, I was thinking of making my new layout all T-Trak. Now, I only have one of these. I'm actually going to make all my kits basically out of wood. But since I got this for free, might as well build it.